Ke National People's Party ke angnot bantau yang ye ke history ke barim hari long jentia kumba job ke United Democratic Party haus nem khat khandai spa khandai pupra habaro hanyo teli ki constituency. Ya kani laong di nongialam ke NPP ni ke jilna ki bakin thop yo preston tensong amprin lingdo but ki wei ha ke jingialam election jong ki hanyo teli ki constituency dari long jentia ke balong hamadan Jerusalem chut buku Jowai. Laidon lang National President Jok NPP Konrad Kongkol Sangma Umas Sngap halang dhar bat kiwei ki kertong Jok NPP. Shwa ka jingialang National President ke NPP harengkat ki he nongialam Jok sang NPP kilaya nado police point shado madan Jerusalem bat ki spangut ki nong kersan ke NPP barak lang yakin lama. Bos, oma wala kula.
ऐसे पिछले पर मैं गिर जाऊंगा.
Ayo ya ke jingkeren no ba preston tensong ba Sngap halang dhar ke Dr. Mezel amprin lingdo bat uma wailat miki Syllad.
Giant Hills has created a history by winning all the 7 candidates of UDP in those time. And I'm quite confident, sir, that this time also we are quite confident that the history will repeat with NPP. But sir, I want to say only this much. But please don't treat Giant Hills like other government in the past. Please to consider, because there are many things that Giant Hills is not having right now. For example, till now we don't have even one professional college, sir. So I'm quite confident, sir, in your able leadership that Giant Hill will progress.
Kijingir ko ang ni sandali isnami daman maksimum ke Giant Hill sejauh Hanai am ko kalam chua chanen ko ke Giant Hill am mo pai kan ngau ong ni bi hani ke tem katau makani ki blok arteri ni yo hani ke district yo ni ulai lemau siam am burom yo ni ki road project pembangunan blas duty siam ko mir tang pen ki police station ki sub center ki health center ki PSC ki CSC Kemudian kami meeting okam winning TMC leader, wan nilai waran yung Jowai, umar sila lu. Your eye Jowai, dia diundur dia cara ben kadupan ni. Kajik sekian, dia ni tahu hamu dia ni tahu sih. Kecuali kita water supply scheme, hai por kau PSC minister new lele, hai por mawai na mangu komplit. Tomen. Dia sekian untuk dia Jowai, dia sekian. That is true. Walau kata Jowai ni matimik ka, hai por election, hai kiti lekop saronggi, hai por ma wala hari lang siam lamburom yongi, declare atau smart town, one of the best smart town atau state yongi. Kakau mangani, the cindari ke projek berkerja por Jowai, dan morok banyak untuk disekian. Itu adalah dia yang untuk dia atau ma. Mau kau berkata uyok kamu kejalan waktu ni uyok minister kerja kata jangan jauh dia hari kondisi dia ni. Kecuali bypass ni yang berskor bersekian baik orang betul elektoral mahu muslim ini wah yang kawan dari sokar, kawan dari parti, kawan dari chief minister, kawan dari minister, empot semua juga kuda dan ular. Kau mang kali, hak apa yang mawalan ki, sokret mesti dui, bukan di hawli kurtam. Dia ibu dia, kita tak miskin.
Dong ini asyik kendiat ban mau yang lebih, yang history, jom kakat kendai spak nyau boar. Aku tu kapur kita kira ramba jomi. Kira sidom madio ia kata hill state kebengiong. No hill state no rest. Haka lama berkerteng jom ka APHLC. Haka ba kaddu kipat ba jom ke jela Meghalaya. Ki ai laipo RC na kan riupo. Mendaga ketingat wa ban ong ya bi. Ini pai biang ia ketika history. Sun post name take. Ai bahkan wan biang. Sashi sempat. Kabok karwiang. Karneu bangin ai bahkan NPP kan cross. Lai posau, lai posan si. Hakan yang kekenti ke pemerintah. Kaji Syllad tema, kaji Syllad ben, kaji Syllad hok. Barok ki parti la telut. Yang di social media Drotur bola, you preston, you pernah Bakom tu, you skoba Kau kiperlok kipain ke social media Kelak kamu buat kapor ke dalam don ya pindah Pitik na pintik Sanpaus na mentaliat Kum kejelam Meghalaya Nilai prewatan poktam Neta Donbok Ublay uek gerbang yang ke Meghalaya Balai ngawag munta Namar ba Hatin jom keting klakno Ulidar baramba Jom kejelang Meghalaya Baru kau ke ulet PA sama Ublapat hadok ke gerdan Kum speaker Jom ke parlimen I Meghalaya jomi Ibatang sitro mendapatkan Kaya kebajia, utai udah prau ukur ku nanti ngebreng. Kini kira prau jogi cek berleu jogi, kini ku nanti ngebreng. Mana apa berhak? Hako jingialang jom kornat sama, hako jingialang jom preston, hako jingialang jom skawa. Ka election commission, ka ong maka NPP. Kalau dia minta National Party HUR hajar kat kendai Hatong ibi airmil Hatong ane kamdai mo Kaburong Jom kipalba kajelang Meghalaya Barokowe Henry ko kipalkan parti benda Pilat hembau Ia kabakum kata parti Keparti kebapenewok Keparti kebapen airnya saya siapa ya in Meghalaya berget mi penban ka NPP bahanuan Eastern State jogi itu ya pi haduk mentampat don katakan National Party pakai election commission kan itu like no na state ibarat perketan Meghalaya national president kontrak sama Preston tensong ulong deputy ulong vice president nantang itu ibi hakin long jongi kadang national status ngiyok ro office kerpang nanti ya Delhi don way prolog umananong kendong upoy baca semarang Delhi kumnore kumyat lembah na office jong ke NPP Hantai Delhi uyoi kadur kornat sama Hantai Delhi uyoi kadur Preston Hantai Delhi uyoi kadur joki no Meghalaya uang ko ba Preston na jauh umat jeruk Laong balai bijau umat perolok uang ngapros ketangan UDP poya kena beralakot Hampir ko NPP baik, ko Rijantia baik ke khot ya pimentar janmir. Dosa yang terjalan, baka NPP karena pendon burung yang kejelang Meghalaya, baka NPP karena persyak yang dijak sepen kirepan otan hanoris hanai habang India. Kajing bersang bat simno yang ahok jong kipai bak jong notis jongi kabishan ken. Iko baka nyam kurufam, iko baka cinget jongi. Lasak nyot lut nadong sarong. Dengan khot ikaw berepi, kung bacaw umat ukaw ruramba. Ubah berak si kata hapuan hapok jong kata regional party kapnya BDP. Uang nalah kalabamot baru perskul. Nalah kalabamot tentang baplen de kata NPP. Kabadon plen kadur kadar ofit jongka hantai hadehi. Dong dia presiden mentara ganti. Nama bagi Yosho kung kanalat pagkakapuksyan. Dahil kani kapamantang iyo kalat kakapuksyan. Kaya mabahang magiging nongialam hapo kapati. Kung baong umasgaw hangi along kaway. Ladayayam niyayam lang. Laday kemen niya kemen lang. Nganya to ibi. Kajing Sngap melong mentak ke parti NPP ni jingialang. Kita di parti baru di jingialang magasi makamit. Kita kor yang minta. Berhak kopi jingo. Hana baka NPP kaya bakal. Barok kita di parti di badan baki. Sistem mesyuakion ni komisar kornak miwasyo, komibak prestur miwasyo, mentap histam mentakor yang ni, upat ba unsa ajik sneng hari lom jantia. Kopat ba baye jokali jantia, gihantai kasing ni thol paepi, kani ka movement, kani ka jikhi, mdesu bakhi najrom. Rai napok aman fem kaki arat terem way ni kira ramba ujon bani bagi babon ba kira ramba kiba bon ba kira temen kisah pon sana kiong ko prestun ni ai kecing Jowai ke terpang baka parti NPP mentaka gedi kan yo ban sersya mawai Ngiyo pan sersya marwe. Keng mapim juga badut, bat sim yang tu isu jong ka boundary. Upot usama teng ke Meghalaya bat kasam juga badut. Ngaya dia ngadot ke sorkar ado aja lai. Hado kaneka khidmat ka bangta. Kanong ngochu kicip mitar kibialam na Meghalaya. Ngaju yang lang baki bagi dong meeting bagi chief minister jok asam na kapor se kapor hitip na hitip anda yang mi nang ta so banwai ke meeting ai de kasya babang bakiam baru argot na bakado kiong dong ini meeting yeta status quo haka tin jaitia do pingatin renga bergelak tin khasi Habang status quo kabamot, sedih redui. Sebenarnya numpoi, segendaw numpoi, status quo. Habang status quo kabamot kuno, nginod banray. Balay nginod banray, nama baktin yung rem election. Ukonrat upras tuon uting, usgaw haunting. Iyeng yang ngacing sisa bakawai naki manifesto joga TMC nomor B ki ong hana balaki yok yang kabur. Kaya ka begini. Kin Sngap yang MOU. Jom ke NPP. Kalau kaya sign baru Chief Minister jom ke Assam. Betul? Go TMC baik. Balai people yang ada ke manifesto. Hato melakukan KDP. Pembinaan Menteri. Pilihan Menteri. PA yang ke Meghalaya. PA yang ke Meghalaya tanah syukur. Katong itai madam mamatang sekali. Kau mukul wajib permi yang deskrap. Bangun kau itu eskripol. Dengan orang pini ini mito, yang kata parti ke bawah nama eskripol. Kapag hintray kelong, bagi depan sok yang ada problem. Hapden ke Meghalaya berkasam, menengkam di eskripol. Dan maong nga hanang pagkakila eleksyon mo ilat hanggang kalong ba't TMC na kendit threat kamu di kota TMC limit na ako TMC ete nasko pala kiyo na mauway na kirarapa wala siyang tayo na purong bayo uwang na nakabenta purong dyan na penjob na TMC ngadamon kadok Islam tu ke Kongres. Usap tayo ke Kongres. Ngapit plan mula join parti baca TMC. Kamu juga tak? Kakular jongi negara parti ngizapelat bentai ke manifesto jongi. Aong ya pigawai. Ya apot kasam. Hapden ke Meghalaya berkasam serta hes ke baar ngin pendek kata kadai ke mengibok mat jompi ke rilong jantia berokawai ke blok 1 ke pusiar ke kanduli ke jinsitong ke berbak laparak ngani doa pilih yakin ini bentar ke wilayah bersaing yang MOU Setai boy, setai Jowai kasih. Menjudon syuka hura hapden kinong sosnong jotasam bajon kamera. Balai namar kamera sign yo MOU. Napang kamusim yang atau jingia hamukro. Kadang kolong bagi paklak pada sign ya MOU na kadang kajia. Dan nakakadaw mo ang yapi. Kung kipat ba, jom karijantia barok kawin. Kami ke komitmen jom ini nakaparti. Ngikwapan pendek no, ya uneu pun usam. Lada kipat ba, jom ke jelang Meghalaya. Kin ay, ya kecik kersan ke Bapura. Kini kikamba, kikamsan gini oleh. Hako pinsuklet noko na kada makot ngawe ya bi iway pa iway haka ne kano pais ni nginami na kada kalumpo tang kawe kasur bat kata kalong bahapo region kekis barokaway dongnya ay baro anyaw telikasi baka NPP kat sensyar banyak kijing mentoy baro atolai aduh kopra nginang pentut susu syah kane karijantia jompi baro kowe teswa bangansyon nakan mau ikong pineletoy ya kowe ke petition now power sok kalau anu susu tham baro yaki kambaro wat jus lopo bainong ngayo jabing kanang pro kane ka kubor yaki patba jong ka Jowai konstituensi baro sikata biyo ki MLA ki batangi ka phone kinsim badlong na le hayin ka setting yo sabe Karena video nang no kumune khuna. Uwala uwat dap da kacil skaurit ande hapo Jowai. Habaya habapang abisito mudor ka. Piong ni sa furok ni sana. Ulang ni jingi ketero ni jingialang. Uneu kon sana ngopi ubakok kamen sen skaurit. Bakabakado kay bajia. Mensuar pada job mengkong ngapit kita dur beri mamiko, la tereko, la beri. Nini kerana aku beri bunuh. Ane pisau kan, wah kau kerana mereka bukan peratur kendai, nita iso bagian. Nak kecu, nak tenute, adi ber nak tiang. Hino na usyakri jo piu kuta. Hak anuan ka khidmat udon rengkat lembati. Bagi isisya ya kecing om tang syuk tang kisop sor. Kini ki kapsor. Rei wat kasor Jowai. Menta kaslutu. Idon kam yunu sama. Ban unil sama unang trei bahasisu. Dan kawe ya pi tinong Jowai ini wat patsya ya ubun syongkrim ajar pulai apa. Un syakri paipa hariku determen. Nakot nawer ki kanbine tuntuan yobor. Tong ini kop ya kamen sem jo bijuskoge. Kamen sem jo besirhem. Bat syakri ya kari jantia, bat syakri ya kari janpreo, bat syakri ya jela perkawai. Ngini phai ka khmat chuni shiko berjuang. Ba unsno ba. Bat berkop yani ya kacing sgawet, kacing kacing tipre, kacing tiplay. Bagi syakri dak bahok. Hapdem kacing sakno apapun. High level committee kiong na Ukraine na pokon gobor hapadon ka na high level committee IFIR ni pudin bangken ni tau sarman level to secretary jo high level committee ani kren ta mo na kata ngapot bantong hamni sistema shua banasyon tomi na Sngap shu yakinia ke balai bhoja kan mau ta kawai na ngi dari tangka deka parti kabayo yang akan national party what a ben ko kipai pak acara berapa
Ukonrat sangma haba keren ula banbiang bagi NPP kan yo biang ban sengsyar ke sarkar jela baru lo ong susu bagi no kino ki kampen roy ki dai ne benta ke jela dai ne benta ki nongmi khman lani ke jing mentoi jong no ri jong no.
In the last 5 years, Meghalaya has become one of the best performing states when it comes to PMGSY. And today, in a matter of 5 years, from only being able to construct 700 kilometers, in the last 5 years, we have constructed close to 2,000 kilometers of roads in the state of Meghalaya. There was a time when Meghalaya used to be ranked as the worst state when it came to immunization, where 50% of our children were not getting immunization. We were ranked 27th in the country. But because of the focus and the commitment of our government, in the last 5 years, over 95% children have been vaccinated. Today we are ranked from 27th to 2nd in the country in terms of performance when it comes to immunization. If Mamata Banerjee had said that about BJP and other national parties in West Bengal, then the same principle and the same analogy applies in Meghalaya for them. Because if BJP and other national parties, according to Madam Mamata Banerjee, are outside parties in West Bengal, well then TMC is an outside party in Meghalaya. We have our own political party. We know how to take care of ourselves. We have respect for Madam Mamata Banerjee because she respected our leader, late P.S. Sangma. But elections are different. We know how to take care of ourselves. Today, people of Meghalaya will reject the TMC. I am confident that TMC will not be even able to get 2 to 3 seats in our state with great difficulty. Great difficulty. No matter how much they say in their different election speeches, when the results come out on the 2nd of March, if the results come out on 2nd, when they get on 2nd results, they will only get 2 seats. You watch that day. That is what will happen to TMC, and that is their fate. I was in Tikrekila for the last 2 days, campaigning there. And people of Tikrekila told me that when Dr. Mukul comes to campaign here, we will ask him that, sir, you were in Ampati. People of Ampati voted for you 5 times. They trusted you. But then you contested in Somsa. You left the people of Ampati and you broke their trust. You went to the people of Somsak and told them that I will change Somsak. I will develop Somsak. Put your trust and put your faith in me. And now within 1 term, and after not being able to do anything for the people of Somsak, today you're coming to Tikrekila. And now you're telling the people of Tikrekila, I will change Tikrekila. Well, what if tomorrow people of Tikrekila vote for you? What is the guarantee that you will stay with us in Tikrekila? And what is the guarantee that the way you have left Ampati, the way you live in Somsa, that you will not leave Tikrekila? So if you want us to vote for you, please sign an agreement. Sign an agreement where most probably you will not win even one, but even if by any chance you win both, then you will resign from Somsak and you will stay with Tikrekila. Till you don't sign an agreement, Tikrekila people will not vote for you. This is what people of Tikrekila today are saying. And therefore, when the leader himself is not in good wicket, is confused, is having a tough time in both the constituencies he's contesting, you can well imagine what is the status of the other candidates of the TMC in Garo Hills. And this is a story throughout the state. So therefore, friends, Jowai is no other story. It's the same story. TMC will not be able to get double digits. They will be below 5 seats. People of Jowai should not waste their votes and cast their vote unnecessarily for a party that will not be able to do anything for them in the future. You have to decide. The people of Jowai will have to decide what they want to do. You have seen the performance of ialap. You have seen his commitment, his hard work, his love for the people. He is a person with passion to change Jowai and Jayanthiya Hills. He desires to do much more than what he has done in the last 5 years. Jowai is changing. It's moving forward. So many areas which were left behind, ialap has taken those things forward. And I'm going to show you that as we move towards 2023, and when we form the government again, when the results come out in March 2nd, let me assure you that we will work with Meghalaya to ensure that we take Jowai to greater heights. This assurance we want to give to each and every citizen of Jowai town. It was in 1972 that HPHNC, the then first government led by Captain Williamson Sngap, had got a full majority to form a full stable government. After 50 years after the Golden Jubilee, I am confident that history will repeat. And we will be able to this time once again form a single party government in the state of Meghalaya. I can assure you that we will get 15 plus seats from Garo Hills and we will get 15 plus seats from Kasi Jete Hills. And therefore we will cross the 30 mark for sure. With this confidence, I urge all of you, let us not rest. The next 20 days is very crucial for us. And let us work hard and dedicatedly for each of our candidates to ensure that we are able to come out victorious in this election, where the results will come out on the 2nd of March.